What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, the last video of 2021. Gonna keep our fingers crossed that 2022 is gonna be better. Like the thumbnail shows, the GTR is back in the house. It's been going for a little bit. It's probably one of the reasons why you didn't see videos with this car. Just wanted to say thanks to all of you that sticked around for the entire year watching. Wish me the best, and I want to wish you guys the best for next year. I wasn't going to post a video, but they just dropped the car off today. And by the way, shout out to Caliber Collision here in the LA area. They did an excellent job taking care of a few things that needed to be fixed on the car. It could have been sooner. The car could have been back sooner, but I'm pretty sure you'll know that, you know, there's a part shortage all around the country, probably all around the entire globe, because it took a while for the shop to get everything they needed for the GTR from out of the country. So, but anyways, the car is back. Expect a couple of more videos beginning next month, beginning 2022. Still don't want to go back in time. And again, I just wanted to say thanks for watching. Stick around if you're new to this channel. Usually you see Hummer videos. We're gonna do our best to combine Hummer, GTR, Tesla, all kinds of videos. Hopefully, there's one car that I've been trying to get my hands on, and I think I've talked about it before. I've been trying to get my hands on a Audi R8. I've been trying to do that since beginning of 2020, and then you'll know what happened. Every plan that I had went out the window, but hopefully, you know, just 2022 is going to be way better. Hopefully you'll see. I can promise you anything, but I'm going to do the best I can to get my hands on that car. It's a car that I always wanted. Trying to see if I can get it, the V10. If not, then I'll probably settle for the V8. Trying not to, but I'll probably settle for the V8. Not only that, it'll be good to, you know, to make some videos, but it's a car that I wanted, and that's the main reason why I'm getting it. But again, it'll also be a nice entry-level supercar to get, you know, to get the channel going and to switch it up other than the Hummer content. I have a couple of videos coming out to the beginning of the year. I am helping one of you buy their first H2. I'm extremely happy to do that. I've done it before, and I was gonna make a video about it, but I'm helping a gentleman that reached out to me, said, hey, I've been watching your videos for a while. I'm finally made that decision to start looking for an H2. Let me shut this thing off. Make that decision to start looking for an H2. If I can get all the help I can from you, and I'll say, hey, I'll be more than happy to. I think we're gonna be on a couple of FaceTime phone calls, so I can help him, you know, pick an H2 and, you know, welcome him to the Hummer family. So anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Just want to give you a quick update, let you know that the car is finally back, and I apologize to those of you that subscribed and saw a couple of videos on the GTR a few months ago, and then all of a sudden that was it. So the car is back. Happy New Year's, and see you on the next one.